In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take profits on Crypto.com. If you're ready to turn your virtual coins into real-world gains, you've come to the right place. We'll walk through the process step by step, making it as smooth and straightforward as possible. To start, you'll want to head over to Crypto.com, either on your computer or through their mobile app. It's a user-friendly platform, so no worries if you're new to it. Once you're there, look for the trade option. This is where the magic happens. A quick tap will open up your trading options. Now that you're in the right section, it's time to decide what you want to do next. This is where you'll tap on sell. Choosing this option will guide you through selling your crypto and taking those profits you've been eyeing. The next step is all about selection. You need to choose the cryptocurrency that you want to sell. Over the past months or even years, it's possible that you've been holding on to various types of cryptocurrencies. It's time to pick the one from which you'd like to cash out some profits. Make sure to select wisely based on your investment strategy and current market conditions. Once you have selected the cryptocurrency, you'll see an option to take profit. This feature is particularly convenient as it lets you streamline the process. By clicking on it, you're moving closer to sealing the deal on your profits. After you've clicked Take Profit, you will be prompted to enter the amount you wish to sell. Decide carefully how much of your crypto you are ready to convert into fiat currency or another crypto. Reflect on your financial goals and how this sale fits within your broader investment strategy. Take your time to ensure that the amount you enter aligns with these objectives. Finally, it's time to finalize your transaction. Tap Sell to proceed. Once you do this, you'll be asked to confirm the transaction. Double check everything before confirming. This is to prevent any hasty clicks that might result in selling more or less than you intended. Once you confirm the transaction, your sale will be processed and you'll have officially taken profits from your crypto investments. And there you have it. You've just walked through how to take profits using Crypto.com. Remember, it's essential to keep an eye on the market and continue learning about investment strategies to maximize your returns effectively. Whether you're a seasoned trader or new to the crypto game, this guide should help make the process easier and more efficient for you. Happy trading!